We must know on how to read the band color code resistor to get the resistance value, if we like to be an electronic engineers and electronic technicians. Band color code resistors are cheaper and most commonly used on electronic circuit. Remember that resistor have no polarity, and can be connected on any direction in the circuit. The function of resistor is to limit the flow of electrical current in the circuit. The bigger the resistance value is, the more limitation of current flow. This type of resistor has 3 bands color code, 4 bands color code, 5 bands color code, and 6 bands color code. But we discuss only on how to read a 4 bands color code resistor. Here is the chart of 4 bands color coded resistor that used for reading a resistance value. The first column are the colors. The second column are the first digit band color. The third column are the second digit band color. The fourth column are the multiplier. And the last column are the tolerance. We have now to identify the band color code value of a resistor. Example. This resistor have band color of brown, black, brown, and silver. We have a steps to read a band color code resistor. First, is to find the closest band color from the one end of the resistor, on where to start reading a band color. Then, determine the 3 closest band color, that will be your resistance value. And find out the last remaining separate single band color, that will be your tolerance. Finally, you can start reading a band color code value from left to right, if you found the sequence of band color of this resistor. You start on first 3 groups of band colors. The first color is brown, as your first digit number 1, on the chart. The second band color is black, as your second digit number 0, from the chart. The third is brown, as your multiplier times 10, from the chart. The fourth separate band color is silver, 10%, from the chart, as your tolerance of this resistor. Now, we use the decoding formula of the band color code resistor. Resistance value is equal to the first digit times 10 plus second digit, on which the overall result value are multiplied by the third color multiplier. So, we have now first digit 1 times 10 equals 10. Then, 10 plus 0 equals 10. Where the overall result is 10 times 10 is equal to 100, with the plus and minus 10% tolerance. So, the resistance value of this resistor is 100 ohms with plus and minus 10% tolerance. Why we use ohms on the result of this 100 resistance value? It's because of the measurement range unit of the resistor, like, below 1000 is ohms. 1000 ohms is equal to 1 kiloohms. 1 million ohms, or 1000 kiloohms is equal to 1 megaohms. And 1 billion ohms, or 1000 megaohms is equal to 1 gigaohms. That's why we have a resistive value of 100 ohms with plus and minus 10% tolerance. But what is the use of this tolerance? Tolerance is the accuracy of actual resistance value, on which have a percentage range of difference from lower resistive value to the highest resistive value. We have the formula of this resistor tolerance. Tolerance is equal to the resistance value times tolerance percentage, on which the overall result will be divided by 100. So, from 100 ohms with plus and minus 10% tolerance, we can calculate like this. 100 ohms times 10% have a result of 1000, divided by 100, is equal to 10 ohms tolerance value. meaning that 100 ohms plus 10 ohms is equal to 110 ohms as the highest resistive value, and 100 ohms minus 10 ohms is equal to 90 ohms as the lowest resistive value. Therefore, the actual resistance value of 100 ohms resistor with 10% tolerance have ranged between 90 ohms to 110 ohms. Tolerance of the resistor is very important to the electronic filters, amplifiers, oscillators, and other high-accuracy electronic circuit. Bear in mind that when you replace a damaged resistor, we'll always consider the original tolerance with similar value from the damaged resistor to avoid a changes of electronic circuit characteristics. Now, I have few band color-coded resistor with given resistive value and similar 5% tolerance of color gold. Try to evaluate by your own ways, according to the steps of reading and calculation of a given formula we had before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel. Knowledge link information.